and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically add product details in Google Sheets when you update a product on Shopify. Now let's say you run an online store and you updated a product on Shopify. Now you want to add these product details in the Google Sheets. So how will you do it? First, you can go to Shopify, copy all your product details, come back to Google Sheets and enter the details manually. However, this can be a lengthy and a repetitive process. So how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here we will integrate Shopify with Google Sheets, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever your product is updated on Shopify, its details will automatically be updated in Google Sheets. And don't you worry, this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To add product details in Google Sheet when a product is updated on Shopify, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now straight go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it's processing. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. Click there. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Shopify to Google Sheets. Let us create. Alright, here it will show you two windows, trigger and action. So trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. Now for the trigger application, we will select Shopify. For the trigger event, we will select product updated. Why? Because we want every time a product is updated on Shopify, the details of that product should be added in our Google Sheets. Okay, here you can see a webhook URL is generated. So this webhook URL is basically act as a link that can connect two applications. So now let us copy and follow these instructions. We will have to go to Shopify to where we will actually paste this URL. Now let us go to Shopify. Straight on the left hand corner, you will see settings. Scroll the menu and you will see notifications. Now scroll more, a little more, and you will see create webhook. For the event, just select product update. Format will remain the same. Let us paste the URL. For the API version, we will select the latest and save. It says webhook saved successfully. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and you will see it is waiting for a webhook response. Now to check if Pabbly is able to receive the response from Shopify, let us quickly go to Shopify and make a dummy product update or addition. Here it is. From here you can go to products. I'll click here. These are the products. From here you can add product. So these are I want to add an air conditioner. Okay. Here is the description that I had given. This is my title, air conditioner. Price, let me fix the price. Let me just write 25,000 rupees. No charge tax on this product. And rest remains same. Now let us just save it. Okay, so it says product created on Shopify. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and see if it is able to capture the response. And yes, Pabbly has successfully captured the response. Like you can see, here it is, the vendor's name, the title, air conditioner is here. And you can see the price and so on. Now we will go to action window and select Google Sheets. For the action event, we will select add new row. Why? Because we want every time a product is updated on Shopify, the details should be added in the Google Sheets. That means a new row should be added in the Google Sheets. So now let us connect the two. Add a new connection, connect with Google Sheets. I'll select my account. Now let us just give the permission. And it says authorization successful. Okay, it's connected. From here, you will have to select the spreadsheet. Okay, I prepared a spreadsheet like this, you can see, with the name Shopify Test. Here, I will need title of the product and price of the product that is updated on Shopify. So we will select Shopify Test as the select spreadsheet like this, you can see Shopify Test. Okay, sheet 1. Now title of the product, let us map. Title is air conditioner. Okay, we want price as well. So for this, let us just scroll down and you will see variance price 25,000 and save and send test request. Okay, it has received the response. Now let us go to the spreadsheet that we had created in Google Sheets and see if the product air conditioner has been added there. Here it is. You can see this is my list, Shopify Test, and the air conditioner with the price is successfully added in my Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.